Hey, it's Rhonda with your latest tech update. When you've got your head down working hard, you probably have many applications running on your laptop. Some can be resource hogs, slowing down your computer and draining your battery. You could kill the worst applications, but what if you're still using them? Good news! The latest version of Windows 11 might have the solution. Right now, experts are testing a new feature called Efficiency Mode. Rather than kill an application that's using a lot of system resource, just switch it to Efficiency Mode. This puts it at the bottom of your laptop's priority list for resources, meaning a faster computer and a battery that lasts longer. The feature is still being tested. If the tests go well, we can expect to see Efficiency Mode later this year. If slow devices or bad battery life annoy your staff, we've got lots of good ideas to help. Give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.